Hello, welcome to the House of R. It's been a while since we opened some Hot Wheels, and today we got Aston Martins 177 Vantage GTE DBS 63 DB5 and the V12 Speedster. So let's open them, give them a spin. And let's start off with the Aston Martin V12 Speedster, factory fresh. And there it is, aerodynamics, so it doesn't need any windscreen. I think you're required to use a helmet. What's a cool car. Alright, next one, I'm going old school, Aston Martin 1963 DB5, Hot Wheels Workshop. There we go. The James Bond car, just another color. This one is quite beautiful, grey interior, silver on the rims, chrome. I like it. Alright, next one up is the Aston Martin DBS Hot Wheels Exotics. There you go. Hot Wheels Exotics in black. Black metallic. Green and white stripes on top, dark grey interior. It's a beautiful DBS. Alright, next up, Aston Martin Vantage GTE Hot Wheels Turbo. There we go. With Golf graphics. That is the Vantage GTE. That is cool. I like the white Golf, Michelin, dark grey in the rims. Excellent. Alright, number 5, last one of the day. That is the Aston Martin 177 Hot Wheels Rescue. There you go, emergency car, yellow, grey in the rims, black interior, some nice 177. Right, we're gonna photoshoot these into my garage, and if you haven't, please subscribe, put a thumbs up if you liked the video, and hit notification bell if you want a warning each time I release a new video. And I see you later.